We got a final vacuum with the Sanitaire here. It's its last day of being here. Well, not last day of being here, but I'm gonna sell it soon. But before we get to that, we got some new filters. I haven't sold my Dyson yet because I had to get new filters for it because its old filter is bad. It's falling apart. This right here, I bought a new vacuum. This should be a major clue of what type I'm getting. But what brand and model is it? It's obvious of what one it's not. It's not, but then again, uh, but for those of you on Vacuum Land, be sure not to spoil it because you guys already know what it is. But anyways, so go ahead and leave your guesses down in the description below, and let's get to the last vacuum with this guy. And there we go. So again, those on Vacuum Land, shh, don't spoil it. And the rest of you who aren't on Facebook on Vacuum Land, go ahead and leave your guesses down in the description below. Yeah, and it's also that nice, I think it's called a Tyrex material that I like. These are my favorite shakeout bags that are made out of this material, so I'm glad it's the Tyrex material. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for the new vacuum I'm getting, which I'm guessing is going to be here in a couple days.